Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet. And yeah, stay tuned. I have so many exciting videos coming. I have a lot of clothing hauls coming soon, a lot of hair videos coming soon. And yeah, Vlogmas is coming soon. So yeah, I will be doing Vlogmas this year. And I'm so excited. I have a lot of cool and different videos coming this Vlogmas. Today I'm going to curl my hair with a straightener. This is the first time that I'm going to try the Bioionic 10X straightener for curling my hair. I've only used it to straighten my hair. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it down below. I love this straightener. It is so good. It left my hair so shiny, guys. I have a discount code, by the way. You can save 15%. This is not sponsored, but if you use my code Jalissa15, you can save some money if you want to buy this. So I'm going to link it down below. Anyways, today I'm going to try for the first time to create some curls. I love doing curls with a straightener because if you're traveling and you have just a straightener that is a 1-inch straightener, you can get a sleek straight look with the straightener, but you can also get some nice bouncy curls. Something that you can do if you want your curls to last a little bit longer, you can always just like set your curls with clips, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to detangle my hair with my Julie brush. Gonna make sure that I have no knots in my hair. That's like so important, guys, by the way. You have to detangle your hair. You have to make sure that your hair is nice and smooth and detangled before you do anything to your hair. So yeah, there you go. I'm also going to use a heat protectant because I need to protect my hair from the heat. It's just, I do it every single time that I put heat on my hair. I've been loving this one from IGK. This is their Good Behavior 4-in-1 prep spray. So this is going to detangle your hair. By the way, using this before a blowout is amazing. I have a couple of new prepping sprays that I have been loving lately, and this one is definitely in the list. So yeah, I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this heat protectant spray. This protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to be using the Bioionic at 380 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm not going to be using it at a super high heat setting just because I feel like I don't need to put it that high. This works so well at 380. I don't need to do anything more than that. As the heat protectant, it dries a little bit. I'm going to show you guys the foundation that I used today that I actually like. This is the Joa Beauty Truly Yours foundation that is now discontinued. And I'm so upset because I actually really liked this foundation for my oily skin. Like, guys, I've been on the lookout for a nice matte foundation for oily skin, and I've tried so many. Some of them make me break out. Some just really don't control my oils, even in the summer, in the fall, or whatever. It's just, my skin is always oily, but I noticed that with this foundation, not sponsored by the way, with this foundation, my skin just always looked a little bit matte, and my skin was not breaking out. It wasn't even, it was just like the perfect foundation for me. So they came out with this new one and I got it. This is the Prime-dation all-in-one foundation, also from Joa Beauty, but guys, it's not the same. It's not the same. Wow, my hair is getting frizzy. My hair got a little bit wet with the prepping spray, but it's okay. I'm gonna use a straightener now. You see what happens when you wet curly hair? Like, even just a little drop, it starts to get curly again. I'm actually gonna straighten my roots a little bit because this is like day 2 or 3 hair. So my hair is, you know, starting to get a little bit wavy at the top. So what I like to do is that I kind of straighten the roots a little bit. By the way, this is a vibrating straightener. Isn't that cool? Like, I don't know, it really does give me a lot of shine and it leaves my hair so sleek. But basically, I just straighten the roots a little bit and then I flip the flat iron and just hold the hair and slowly glide the hair tool down. I like that this is super gentle on my hair and it doesn't pull my hair even when I do curls. So yeah, there you have it. Look at that beautiful bouncy curl. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna do another section. So straighten the roots a little bit and then flip the hair tool. Hold the hair, don't lose it. And then just glide the hair tool down. And yeah, there you have it. I'm gonna start with this side just because I don't want the curls on this side to fall first, and then it's just not gonna look very even. So I'm gonna start doing this side. Yeah, I'm just trying to take very small sections so that I can get a nice bouncy curl. The curls look so shiny. Do you guys see that? I always like to curl away from my face, so I'll flip it like that, like away from the face. I just feel like it's more flattering for me, but if you want to do some towards your face and some away from your face, you can also do that. Alright guys, I am going to finish all my hair and I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, so here's the final look. Here are my curls, and I'm going to loosen them up a little bit, but they are very, very soft and shiny. I definitely like how my hair turned out. When you use a wand, you do get more consistent curls, and I feel like I just get nicer curls with a wand. But yeah, I mean, overall it's not bad. I'm going to loosen up my curls a little bit with my Julie brush. So yeah, you just brush your hair and look how much volume you get right away. Like, these look like Hollywood curls. I just love doing this to my hair. You can also use your fingers just to kind of fix your hair a little bit. You can use an oil too if you want to. I feel like I need it, not because of the shine. I feel like my hair is shiny, but I do have some flyaways, so I'm just gonna bring that down a bit. That's another thing that I noticed when I use a straightener to curl my hair, that it does kind of stick out my hair a little bit more than when I use a curling wand or like a curling iron. But overall, not bad. I feel like it is an easy way to curl your hair, like when you're traveling and you don't have a lot of space to put more hair tools in your luggage. But yeah, you guys let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you like how my hair turned out? Do you feel like the curls look nice, or would you prefer to use like a wand or a curling iron? Either way, I really like this straightener, and it's really good for straightening my hair. I feel like it leaves my hair so shiny and soft. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.